Yo, what is going on YouTube? It is your boy Rontrades, and we are back here with another trading video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be going over my weekly trade breakdown for the week of May 23rd through May 27th. This week, guys, I took a negative 3% loss. I'm down 3% on my Forex Fund account, and I'm just going to be going over the two trades that I took this week. I had one profitable trade, but I still was down 3%. Because I didn't use a lot of risk, and obviously on my loss I used a lot of risk, and I ended up losing 3% on the setup. So let's go ahead and go over the setup. NAS 100 was the setup that I took here that made me down 3%. This was the setup that I took here on May 26th. So this setup was took on Thursday here. So basically what I was looking for, guys, it was around 6 o'clock. Usually well, I'm not gonna say usually. Lately, guys, I've been loving the 6 o'clock price action. 6 a.m. price action. Like I said, I do have a job, guys, and I'm not really able to trade New York session like that. So I usually wake up around 5:45 and just trade the 6 o'clock price action, which I usually get to see reversals. But that's for another video. So right here in this video, guys, like I said, it was 6 o'clock a.m. We had buyers in the market here. So let me just delete this right here. We had buyers in the market from London. You guys can see here, it's 5 o'clock. We had buyers in the market. So what I was looking to do was counterparty this. I was looking for the 6 a.m. Around 7:30 to see probably a reversal or a retracement down to continue to keep going bullish. Now, before we keep going forward, I am bullish on the NAS 100, and I was bullish on this day. But like I say, during the time that I was trying to get a setup, I was looking for a reversal just for a quick scalp, and that's exactly what I was looking for. So as you guys can see here, we have a fair value gap here and an imbalance right here. Right here we have an imbalance. Why is this an imbalance? Consistently down closed candles. 3. Price is yet to come up and fill them. Price came up here to fill 50% in this candle. I took an entry here. Why did I take an entry here? What made me take an entry here? Well, if we go to the 2-minute time frame, which is here, hopefully I can go back that far. Let's see if it lets me. Sorry about that, guys. See if it lets me go back that far. 26. Okay, right here, cool, nice, beautiful. Okay, so right here, guys, on the 2-minute time frame, what I was looking for was, you guys see here, we had, let me delete this right here. Okay, so let me zoom in a little bit more better. Keep in mind, this white line here is that 15-minute fair value gap, imbalance, 50% of it, that white line right here. So we look at the price action here. This is spicy. So we had displacement. Price ran down, took out these lows here. What I was looking for was price to rebalance itself, which is exactly what it did. Let me draw that out for you guys. Price rebalance itself right back up to this level. I was looking for price to go ahead and make a move like that and attack lower and then go into that 15-minute order block, which it did do that. But as you can see, I entered here off a sell limit. Why did I do a sell limit? I had to go to work, so I couldn't stare at my charts and get the best of the best entry. I didn't see that price was running up here to take out sell side, buy side liquidity. But like I said, I'm not using any excuses. I'm still down negative 3%, and it's literally all my fault. So price ran up here, and it went to take out this liquidity. I was looking to use this as basically like a swing high. That price shouldn't break if we are going to continue to go bearish, but I was wrong, and I can accept that. So here, guys, I took a L here, trying to take a sell off the 15-minute fair value gap imbalance, 50% of it. Had a sell limit there, stop loss right above it, and I got ran for liquidity. Price ran up and literally did the, guys, look at this, price literally did the exact same thing I was looking for. So my bias was correct. We did sell. We did go down into the 15-minute order block, and then we reacted and took off. So I was right, but guess what? My entry wasn't right. So yeah, guys, that was NAS 100 sell, negative 3% loss this week, which is okay. I'm looking to go into next week with a better mindset. And yeah, let's go ahead and go to the winning trade that I took this morning, which was for a very low risk. I didn't put a lot of risk in this trade because I was already down 3%, and I'm not going to risk losing my funded account. So let's go ahead and go over this setup here. Like I say, guys, around I came to the market this morning around 6 o'clock. So 6 o'clock here. What do you see? US 30 right here. I'm gonna go to the daily time frame, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I was looking for. So daily time frame. Daily time frame. 24. Hold on, I'm sorry, guys. 24 hours. Okay, so 24 hours here. This is a daily time frame. Right here. What do we have right here? Excuse this big candle. What do we have? Equal highs on the daily time frame. So before this day even opened, I was already saying, hey, US 30 is probably going to go up and run these equal highs and probably go right inside of this imbalance here. So I came to my charts this morning with the mindset and the narrative of bullish. Why was I bullish? We had relative equal highs on the daily time frame. It's Friday, so price is more than likely going to go ahead and take that out before we close. Very simple. Nothing hard. Nothing crazy. So right here, we had a nice fill right here. I had a buy limit here. Why do I have a buy limit here? I have a job, and I couldn't be on my charts at this time. So I said, hey, if price comes back down inside of this what? Bullish order block. Why is the bullish order block? 3 consistently down closed candles. 3 consistently energetic candles going up into my direction. We left an imbalance. Imbalance. Price drops down. Where? Imbalance. Last down closed candle. Stop loss. You can play it like this. You can put your stop here. Or if you want, or if you're like me and you want to let your trade breathe, stop loss go right here below this low. If price breaks down here, then probably not going to respect that order block. All right. The price drops down here. I take profits where? Right here, guys, at daily equal highs. This white line from the daily time frame. Nothing hard about it. Taking partials right here. Taking profits right here. Yeah, and going from there. So like I said, this was a very small window. I had like a very low lot size on this setup. So why did I do that? Because I was already down 3% and I wasn't going to risk losing my whole account in 1 week. That's not going to happen. So yeah, guys, that's my week. Negative 3% lost this week. Looking to have a better week next week. But like I said, I love when I lose, guys, because that makes me just learn better. It's always something that I can learn. So yeah, it's going to be the end of this video. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Hopefully you guys had a better week than me. And yeah, I'll see you guys next video, and happy trading.